Electric S'mores Maker. The Nostalgia Tabletop Indoor Electric S'mores Maker offers a charming and efficient way to enjoy homemade s'mores without the hassle of an outdoor fire. With a compact design measuring 12 inches in diameter, 12 inches in width, and 4.7 inches in height, it fits well on any kitchen countertop or tabletop, making it a versatile addition for family gatherings, parties, or cozy nights in. This s'mores maker is crafted from stainless steel, ensuring both durability and ease of cleaning. It operates at 270 watts and plugs into any standard outlet, delivering reliable power. The BPA-free materials give an added layer of safety, allowing users to prepare delicious treats without worrying about harmful chemicals. Included with the product are 2 specialized forks for roasting marshmallows, enhancing the user experience further. The simple manual operation allows users to have complete control over their s'mores perfection, adjusting the heat and timing to their personal preference. Its popularity is evident, with a customer rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars from over 18,310 ratings, highlighting its status as a favorite among consumers.